not working on Discord, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now you're going to begin by actually sharing your screen. So you can click that right down here. Now you're going to select whichever you want to share. Let's say I want to share my Google Chrome, and it'll be streaming in my general channel. Now, since I'm actually sharing my screen, the audio should actually be working, but if it's not, what you can do is go to User Settings and click on Voice and Video. There are several advanced settings. Just make sure that whatever you're listening to the audio to is selected all the way up here in the input and output device, mostly on the output device. And then what you can also do is click on Registered Games. And if you're sharing your screen on a game, make sure that it's actually added here. So as you can see, I have Roblox, Call of Duty, and Besiege. So if I add it, and you're just going to make sure whatever is being shared is actually added. So as you can see, Google Chrome is actually added, so the audio should be working. So for example, if I were to choose Audacity, I would add that game, and then I can escape, and Audacity would actually work on audio. That's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.